Time to learn a new sight word today. Let's go over our daily learning objective, our DLO. I'll read it first and then you'll read it with me. Today I will read and write the sight word and. Your turn. Today I will read and write the sight word and. Let's look at our new sight word and. It has 3 letters. 1, 2, 3. Starts with a vowel, and it's a sight word because you can't sound it out. If I were to sound it out, it would be and. So a sight word is you just have to be able to read it, A-N-D. Let's spell it and read it 3 times, and then we'll listen to the new song. A-N-D, and. 2 more times. Say it with me. A-N-D, and. 1 more. A-N-D, and. Let's review our old sight words that we've learned. I, capital I. Like, L-I-K-E, like. The, T-H-E. Let's review our sight word songs, and then we'll write our new word and. Let's start with capital I.
Capital I spells I, and I is about me. M-E. Capital I spells I, and I is about me. M-E. Capital I is a letter and a word that's about me. Capital I spells I, and I is about me. M-E.
We'll do 1 verse today. Like, L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? Sometimes I have to be patient with the boombox. Let's try again.
L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? I like the color blue. I like my new shoes too. Hi ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like? L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like?
All right, we won't sing the whole song. We will sing the whole song the because we just learned that yesterday and the day before. Let me get to the. The song is T-H-E, T-H-E. That's how to spell the, you see.
T-H-E, T-H-E. That's how to spell the, you see. We write the in sentences and read it in books too. I can spell the, how about you? T-H-E, T-H-E. A tricky word for you and me. We read and write the many times a day. T-H-E, hip hip, hooray!
That one's pretty good and short. Our new song, and. The beginning goes A-N-D and A-N-D and. Let me go all the way to the beginning. Nope, that was it.
A-N-D and A-N-D, and I can spell and I can spell and 1 and 1 makes 2. I spell and can you? A-N-D, 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 and A-N-D, and I can spell and I I can spell and means things together like rain and cloudy weather. A-N-D, A-N-D.
All right, and A-N-D, and in your packet today, we're going to be doing this. So let's write a sentence with and then we'll do the worksheet. All right, and I'm going to use blue. That one seems to show up the best. And when we write and, it has 3 letters, A, N, D. A is short, N is short, D is short and tall. And is around, up, down, A. N is down, hump. D is left around the dinosaur, up to the sky, down to the ground. So I say left around the dinosaur, up from head to toe, and A-N-D. That's how you write it. In your, on your sight word practice page today, you're going to write a sentence with the word and. So let's see. I think I'm going to write, I like pink and purple. I'm going to do colors today. So I'll start right here because I already started on that line, but I want to start on the left, my sentence. I, how do I spell I? Capital I. Down, add a hat, add some feet. What goes after my letter I need a, not the letter I, I'm sorry, my word I need a finger space. I like. L-I-K-E spells like, L-I-K-E spells like, hi-ho, did you know? L-I-K-E spells like, L-I-K, kick in, kick out. E, over, up, and around. I like pink, finger space, pink. P comes down below. E, I. N is down, hump. K. Kick in, kick out. I like pink, finger space. And, our new word and, A, N, D. Left around the dinosaur, up from head to toe. Finger space. I don't have enough room to write purple. What should I do? There's no room here, but I have another line below. I'm going to go to the next line, all the way to the left. I like pink and purple. Excuse me. P is down, up, and around. U, down, up, down. R, down, up, over. P-U-R. P, L, E, over, up, and around. What do I need at the end of my sentence to tell my reader I'm done? I'm done talking. I know, a period. A period just sits at the bottom, a nice little circle like that. Let's read our sentence. I began my sentence on the left. I used finger spaces in between each word. And when I ran out of room, I went to the next line. When I finished my sentence, I wrote a period. Let's read my sentence. I like pink and purple, period. Now, when you get to write your sentence on the bottom of the and page, think of 2 colors you like. Think of 2 colors and ask whoever's helping you to write them down on a piece of paper for you to copy. I like pink and purple. Maybe you like blue and green. Maybe you like blue and red. Maybe you like orange and black. So think about 2 colors that you like today, and you'll write them on your sentence here. So with our sight word page, I'll scoot you up so you can see better. Take and, tear it off, keep these ones all together. the first thing I need to do is write my name. I'll hang this up for you to see. I need to write my name. Mrs. Hawkins. I guess you should see my face. That'll be easier. Mrs. Hawkins. Mrs. Hawkins. If you're still working on writing your name with a pencil, have your helper use an orange or a yellow highlighter or pink highlighter or marker so you can practice tracing. Mrs. Hawkins. First thing I need to do is trace it. Get my pencil. Trace it. Then I'm going to write it. You have space to write "and" 2 times. Start on the left, just like when we write our sentences. Start on the left. A, N, D. And if you're having a hard time, have someone trace it for you. Finger space. A, N, D. Then I can go back and trace it. Let's see if this is a little better. So if someone traces it for you, don't forget to write on top of their marker or highlighter. It's time to build it. I need to cut across. Cut the border all the way off. We don't want it. Don't want it, don't need it. Get your scissors, go very carefully. It's kind of hard to show you on my video, but I'm trying my best. Throw it in the trash. We don't want our scraps. What's the first letter in "and"? A. On my strip of alphabet letters, I have an A at the beginning. I'm going to cut it out. Now I'm going to glue it right away because if I cut it out and I leave it on my table and then someone opens the door and the wind blows it off, or the kitty cat jumps on the table and he steps on it and it goes on the floor, I just don't want to lose my pieces. So A. Turn it over. Get your little smudge. Make sure you check to see where your A's little tail is at and it's not upside down or backwards or sideways. We want it the right way, just like that. Around, up, down. You can look up here to check. N. Let's find N. I have E-N. There it is. Get your smudge. Remember, we just put up our glue stick just a little bit so it doesn't break or fall out. N. D. Oh, there's 2 that look the same. So let me look up here. That's a D. This other letter is a B. I don't want the B. My word is not amb. And. I cut it out. I get my little smudge. Glue it on. That's good. I can throw the other letters away. I don't want them. You'll find the word in here, circle it, and then write your sentence. Pick 2 colors that you want to write about. I like blank and blank. Write your sentence. I like. You pick 2 colors. I picked pink and purple. Finger space. Pink. Finger space. And. A-N-D and finger space. Purple. Later, we will have you copy a sentence and you'll have to do it all by yourself. At the end of my sentence, I need a period. After you've done your worksheet, open up your Journeys Reader's Notebook to page 26. Don't forget to write your name. There's the pencil telling us it's time to write. You're just writing "and." Then you could read the sentence with the pictures, just like in our 95% lessons. I like peanut butter and jelly. Go ahead and write "and" all the way down and read the sentences to your family member. Now it's your turn.